Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. أهلا وسهلا بالجميع. إن شاء الله تكونوا جميعا بأحسن حال وصحة وسلامة. I hope everybody is great and feeling happiness, excitement and everything. So today it will be my short video live. I just show you some flowers behind me. I am just finished some more meetings and I am walking. Okay. Yes, it's fasting, it's hot, but it's good for walk. Okay. So I want to show you this nice views behind me. Okay. Flowers. And also I would like to show you very beautiful Burj Khalifa. From another side, it is today in the morning. Now you see how it is shining bright. I am making zoom. I will show you the top offices. You see where we are? This is the top offices there. We are in 151. You see this outside deck? This is 152. Then below it, it's 151. And we have in 134. I just take it a video from another location, not in front of the water, but from Sheikh Zayed Road. I want to show you in the morning when the sun reflected there. So I believe it's a fantastic, amazing view. When you are watching Burj Khalifa from everywhere, I am making zoom to show you the office exactly from outside. Oh my God, it's unbelievable. It's amazing. You see here, I then make zoom out, zoom out, zoom out, zoom out. So it's very proud, it's very honored that we have it here. ده منتهى الفخر وال يعني السعادة وكل حاجة حلوة زي إن إحنا مكتبنا في 151 برج خليفة. أنا عملت زوم عشان تشوفوا دي أعلى المكاتب في العالم اللي عاملة اللي هي الطبقات اللي فوق بعض دي كلها هي دي المكاتب اللي موجودة. وإحنا في المكتب 151. So it's amazing view. I just want to share it with you today while I am walking. Okay, here this is the location, and you can see it's skyscrapers, towers, everything. But the most beautiful view is here. When you are feeling proud, when you are feeling honor, when you are feeling excited about everything, about our great company Onpassive, about our great beloved, the one and only founder and CEO, Mr. Ash Mufarrah, who makes the dream real. So guys, you have to be proud that you are a founder. Wish you all the blessing and happy Ramadan. I believe this was a nice video today. We will see you at the very top, and you saw the very top where our ears will pop. Thank you very much. See you at the top again. Thank you and goodbye.